Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to see your client details in Hostinger Website Builder Appointments system. This is a website I've built using Hostinger Website Builder, and for another video, I've already placed an order on this online store or a booking. To see this order details or this client details, just log into your Hostinger account, then go to Websites. On this account, I have multiple websites. To easily locate this website, I will search for it using the website URL. This is it. Click on Manage Store next to your website to go straight into the store management area. Personally, I prefer starting with the appointments calendar. This is today, and tomorrow I have a booking, and on this 26th of this December, I have another order. Unfortunately, this little window does not provide all the client details, but what I do is that I copy the client email address like that. I go to the orders page and I search using the client email address. This is it. Click on this order, and from this page, I can see all the client details below the customer window. This is the name, the address, the email address, the phone number, and also the referral. This is a custom field that I've added to this online store. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial I've added to this online store. And this is how to see your client details in Hostinger Website Builder Appointments system. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.